This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Solomon. Nice size, spacious with open floor plan, kitchen wall had been removed. Upgraded full bath with glassed and shower. Furnished including most all the flatware.Quick association approval, less than 2 weeks, if needed. Easy walk up to second floor, center condo. No elevator. Gas stove with electric as well. 2-wall AC units keep this condo nice and comfortable. Building roof according to association about 4 years new. Low maintenance fee includes pool, workout gym, billiards, insurance, water, gas, common areas. Renting is very limited here with no rentals for first 2 years, then after 2 years, only 20% of the building allowed to be rented at any time. For association rules, no pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Solomon at 954-693-0100.